So, we are now on to weapons. This guy is pretty much chock full of those. So let's go to the back, move the wings out of the way. Just take the whole thing off. You can put this hammer, or you could call it the axe, I don't know. This is the only thing I could do. Yeah, I give him a hammer. So the axis thing makes a nice little hammer. Oh, it's beautiful. It's so beautiful. Yeah. So, that's one weapon he has. There's also another one, which you can do. Check this one out. Take this. One roll off. Okay, I'm guessing that one then. Rotate it around. Look to the back. Take this off. Take these two off. You leave. And stick that on. Close out, and I'll make a little guard. Bring him back in. And so yeah, you see how his hands kind of like two little tab things. Just focus on wherever you want. We'll get it to do it. Come on. Come on. There we go. So, there we go. This kind of limits his posability a bit, but yeah, you can also shoot people. Yeah. Shoot them. Shoot them all. Okay. Yeah, pretty much done with that. There's also another one. So, we're going to put this off to the side for now, just because I just dropped him. Drop dead. No, we'll just get me fumbling with him right now and move on to the next part. Okay, so this last one is a weapons mode. Yes, flight mode, I mean. So go to the back, take this whole thing off. So flip these little wings out. Take this one, stick it there. Take this off. Take this, put it over here. I can't remember. I think it's this one. Stick it on here, and it makes a little cannon thing. So bring octumus back, and you kind of have to figure out like mathy or something. Math it, or I don't know. Just math it. You might need to math this or something. I don't know. To get it so that's even. And there we go. We have him in a flight mode. And because his head can't really look up. It's kind of useless, but could get his arms in the way so it looks like he's flying. Whee! 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 Okay, enough of that. So, there we go. Okay, that is all his weapons and stuff. So, detail on kibble. We'll go with kibble. So, the only real kibble that is really visible. Okay, yeah, these are here. There's also. Yeah, you kind of get it. So, I'll put his front back. So, with this little thing, there's the spare tire. A nice little spare tire. Truck. As you guys know, he's a truck. And he's got these little headlight things sticking out on the side. He has Octumus Prime on the front. Got two little headlights. Got this nice look to him. He kind of resembles his original counterpart. I'm talking about this guy right here. This guy. Yeah. Oh, and well, It's got these nice little wings, but you can also call that cool too. But I don't know what else to say about him actually. For some reason. Everything looks really nice. I really like how he turned out and stuff. So that. So yeah. What else I can say about that? Move into the center. So detailing couple in this mode, not much. There is actually not much in this mode. He's a very nice looking, sleek octumus, and I like it. Pretty much all I can say right now. I forget what section is this. Oh, yeah, detailing couple. So, only thing his backpack consists of just these, the back wheels on his back, and these two little wing pieces. So, not that bad. It's really nice. So, yeah. So, this next one is the All-Spark mode, I think we'll call it. So, we'll take his chest piece off. Really like how that looked. Split it like this. Rotate that one this way. You can't see that, can you? Okay, let's do this again. So rotate this one like that, and this one like that. I really hope. Now I'm just thinking like maybe you guys didn't see me do the other one. So in there, take this here, take that out as I drop it, and that is the All-Spark, or Matrix of Leadership, or whatever you want to call it. Whichever form, whatever generation you come from, whatever the thingy that he always has, the light in Star Darkest Hour thingy, there it is. You get something that does not look like it. Okay, it doesn't really look like it. It's just a little, it's shiny. Look at it. Look at it. It's got like that weird little, like, it's clear plastic for crying out loud. You get a shine of light through it. So it glows just like the All-Spark or the Matrix of Leadership, you know. This thing. This is what it's supposed to be. This thing right here. This little thingy madoer. So, that's what it's supposed to be, and then he's got these dual gun weapon from his chest thing. Also, I will mention this too, these also would shoot lasers or something like that. These little guys right here. So, onto one other one. So, magically, presto, changeo. Posibility. This guy has a pretty good amount of it. He's got a knee, kind of like goes backwards. His foot's on a ball joint, so you got good posibility there. His arms can go in and out, and he can bend at the elbow. He's got no wrist or any of that. His head's got a 360, and no waist. And you could say that he has hip. So you do this. You do the little sit dance thing. You get him like awesomeness stance. And that's pretty much all I can say about this mode. Yeah. Say about him in this robot mode. So, yeah. Pretty much it for this. Oh, crud.